Hello students, very good afternoon to all. Today we are going to study about MCQs of Sound Chapter ICC Board Science Standard. Now here first question is, when the stem of vibrating tuning fork is pressed on the table and the tabletop starts vibrating, the vibration is an example of, देखो इधर, in MCQs, generally maximum options are very close to answer, but you have to select appropriate answer. Sometimes you can find two options or three options or one option is perfectly alright. But maximum they try to give you some options, you seem all are same. So here we must know about the each and every concept so we can use your brain for selection. See, first of all we will clear the concept what is resonance. See what happened. If any object is vibrating with natural frequency, means nobody has started this vibration, and this vibration if completes in 2 seconds, 5 vibration in 2 seconds or 1 vibration in 5 vibration in 1 second, this is the frequency of this oscillation. Now if you are applying force, periodic force, and due to which the body vibrates with a tremendous speed, means when the natural frequency matches with the force frequency, it oscillates with a large frequency and amplitude. That is called resonance. Next is force vibration. What is force vibration? If anybody is sitting on the swing and you are applying a force and the body vibrates, or any rod, any thin rod drilled in on the ground, and you pull and leave it, it will vibrate. Okay. So when whatever though you are applying force, on that basis it will achieve frequency or the oscillation. We can say force of vibration, generally we see there are the force vibration, because free vibration is generally not possible in a real practice, but we consider the motion of a pendulum is called a free vibration. And free vibration or natural vibration in the free vibration, we can say natural frequency, whatever the vibration occurring without any force. And damped oscillation is when any object we pull and leave, this will continuously decrease and decrease due to air friction, or loss in its potential energy and kinetic energy due to the friction. So due to lot of processes, lot of means gravity, some concept when you oscillate pendulum, after some time it will stop. So the gravity is a factor, their air resistance is a factor, and lot of factors are responsible for decreasing the frequency of any object oscillating. So this is the damped oscillation, means the frequency gradually decreases. Now we will study the concept, that is when the stem of the vibrating tuning fork is pressed, the tabletop start vibration. It means initially it was not vibrating. So natural frequency we cannot use. Now next is resonance. If already it is vibrating and we are putting the tuning fork near it, it will go oscillate and oscillate. After some time it can achieve resonance, but it is not a possible. Now force vibration means you put tuning fork near the tabletop and it vibrate along with the force, means that is called force vibration. And damp vibration is not possible, because damp vibration can produce after some time, but why that was vibrating due to the tuning fork, that we have to give the answer. So force vibration is the right answer. So bye bye students, we'll go for the next soon.